The word we'll be learning in this section is 運動, which you will often hear in gyms, schools, or sports events. The word 運動 means exercise or physical activity in English. It refers to any kind of activity that involves physical movement and is often done to improve or maintain physical fitness and overall health. It can also refer to sports or any type of bodily motion intended for health purposes. The first kanji means movement or carrying, and can also suggest luck or fate. In the word unten, it contributes the idea of carrying or controlling motion, which is why unten means driving or operation. In unmei, it helps express something being carried by fate, so it means destiny. The second kanji means to move or motion and refers to physical action or change. In ugoku, it keeps its basic meaning of moving, so the verb means to move or to function. In dobutsu, it describes a living thing that moves, which is why the compound means animal. Every day, I enjoy daily exercise. 毎日、日々の運動を楽しみます。毎日、日々の運動を楽しみます。The sports day is fun. 運動会は楽しいです。運動会は楽しいです。I am lacking exercise. 運動不足です。運動不足です。He is good at sports coaching. 彼は運動指導が上手です。彼は運動指導が上手です。The most common synonyms of the word 運動 are 体操 and 動作. 体操 refers to gymnastics or calisthenics, focusing on structured physical exercises, often as routines. 動作 refers to a broader concept of movement or action, which can also include everyday physical gestures not necessarily related to exercise. The most common antonyms of the word 運動 are 芸止 and 休止. 芸止 refers to stillness or being motionless, the complete opposite of physical activity. 休止 implies a pause or cessation, indicating a temporary stop to movement or activities, often offering a break from action.